enjoy it. अगर पूरे मन के कोई भी काम करते हैं ना पूरा दिल लगा के, तो हम लोग उस काम को बहुत enjoy करते हैं करना. So remember, कोई भी काम जब आप करें तो उसमें interest लेके करिए, and you will enjoy doing it. And it will turn out to be very nice. All of you have done your projects very well. सबके projects बहुत अच्छे बने हैं. जिसने जिसने मुझे सेंड करा है मैंने देखा है सबके प्रोजेक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे बने हैं. जिसने अभी तक नहीं सेंड करा है वो आज मुझे सेंड कर देंगे, क्योंकि मुझे वो फॉरवर्ड करने हैं. आज के बाद हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. टुडे इज़ द लास्ट डे, 14 की डेट हमने आपको दी है, तो आज सब लोग अपने अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स मुझे सेंड करेंगे. राइट? गिव मी अ थम्स अप. ऑल ऑफ यू विल सेंड इट टुडे. एवरीवन्स प्रोजेक्ट्स आर रेडी? Okay, good children. That's very good.
मैम मैं तो आपको सेंड कर चुकी हूँ ना.
Yes, Roshni. I am saying those children who have not sent, जिन्होंने नहीं भेजा है वो आज सेंड कर देंगे.
मैंने कर दिया था, मैं आज नहीं सेंड करूँगा. मैंने सेंड कर दीजिए. मैंने सेंड.
अरेश, मैंने अभी क्या बोला? जिसने सेंड कर दिया है, I have seen your projects are very nice. And those who have not sent, please send it today. Okay, Ashwin.
मैम.
Yes.
Excuse me, मैम.
Yes.
मेरा प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा था.
Yes, भाविका, आपका प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन बेटे आपने बहुत ज़्यादा शीट्स यूज करी. बहुत काम करा आपने. भाविका, आपने बहुत मेहनत करी बेटे. 20 शीट्स आपने लगाई हैं.
सब कुछ बताने के लिए हो नहीं पा रहा था.
ओके. यस विख्यात.
मैम मेरा अच्छा था.
यस विख्यात, आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू ऑल ऑफ योर सबका अच्छा है. आप लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत करी है. You all have worked very hard.
Excuse me, मैम.
Yes, Sidra. Sidra.
Excuse me, मैम.
Yes,
मैम
Sidra.
मेरा प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा था.
Yes, Sidra. It was nice.
मैम मेरा भी.
Everybody, सबका अच्छा था. Ishi, I want to talk to you. Ishi, can you hear me?
मैम मेरा भी आपको.
शिव, आपका भी अच्छा है. Ishi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ishi, you have sent me only the Hindi part of the project. What about the others? आपने सिर्फ हिंदी का मुझे भेज दिया है, बाकी का क्या होगा बेटे?
मैम
आपको एक ही पीडीएफ बनानी थी, उसमें ही आपको कंप्लीट फाइल में कंप्लीट पीडीएफ हमें सेंड करनी है.
ओके मैम.
So you will send it to me today itself again.
ओके मैम.
Yes.
मैम मैंने तो हिंदी वाली मैम का प्रोजेक्ट मैंने हिंदी वाली मैम को भेज दिया.
ओके फाइन. आप लोगों को बताया था सिर्फ एक फाइल बनेगी, उसी फाइल में आपको हिंदी का भी और हमारा भी एक ही फाइल में लगा के सेंड करना है. आपने अलग अलग कर दिया है, नो प्रॉब्लम. हम इशी से बात कर रहे हैं बिकॉज इशी ने मुझे हमारे सब्जेक्ट्स का भी नहीं भेजा है. Alright, now let's get back to studies. Yes, Ishi, you want to say something?
Alright. Good morning,
Okay,
ma'am.
good morning, good morning. Taiba Mustafa, you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now then let's continue with our lesson. Chapter 13, Social Studies, page number 61.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, project में marks में.
Yes, children, you are going to be marked on the project. आपको प्रोजेक्ट पे मार्क्स मिलेंगे.
मैम कितने नंबर का प्रोजेक्ट है?
That I will not be able to tell you just now, but it will be marked. और एक चीज़ ध्यान रखिएगा, आपका प्रोजेक्ट जो आपने बनाया है उस फाइल को बहुत संभाल के रखना है आपको, क्योंकि एक दिन हम आप लोगों को बताएंगे, तब आपके पेरेंट्स आकर वो फाइल हमको स्कूल में देकर जाएंगे.
ओके मैम।
जब हम आपको बताएंगे तब वो पेरेंट्स उस डेट में आकर हमें देंगे। उसको संभाल
ओके
के
मैम।
रखिएगा प्रोजेक्ट्स को सब लोग। आपका प्रोजेक्ट खराब नहीं होना चाहिए, गंदा नहीं होना चाहिए। टेक केयर ऑफ इट, कीप इट वेरी केयरफुली चिल्ड्रन। ऑलराइट?
मैम
यस
अरे मैम
यस
प्रोजेक्ट भी आपने मैम इंग्लिश दोनों आपने भेजा
यस यस।
है।
हिंदी मैम को सेंड करना है तो हिंदी का हिंदी मैम को सेंड कर दीजिएगा। मैम भी देख लेंगी आपने कैसे बनाया है। ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन, हिंदी का पोर्शन हिंदी मैम को भी भेज दीजिएगा ताकि मैम भी देख लेंगी आपने कैसे बनाया है। यस यस
मैम
अब्दुल।
मैम आपको मैं हिंदी वाला भेज दूँ पेज नंबर।
अब्दुल यू सेंड मी द कंप्लीट प्रोजेक्ट और हिंदी मैम को भी भेज दीजिएगा तो हिंदी मैम भी देख लेंगी।
मैम मैंने हिंदी का भी भेजा इंग्लिश का भी भेजा।
यस शनावर, थैंक यू। नाउ ओपन योर बुक्स टू पेज नंबर 61।
मैम
Open your books to page number 61, social studies.
मैम
Social studies. Yes, Myra.
मैम जब मैं भेजूंगी ना आप देखना।
All right, Myra, page number 61, social studies book, learning at school. Now, learning at school lesson we are doing, and I am in school today. I'm teaching you, I'm taking your classes from school. Sayash, page number 61.
मैम मैथ पीरियड है ना।
Yes, Sayash.
मैथ पीरियड है।
Social studies.
ओके मैम।
Okay. So, we are going to do the lesson learning at school, chapter 13. You have done similar chapters. Now, why do we go to school? Now, this year it's been very sad that you have not come to school, children. But you have come to school in your nursery and KG classes, and you all know why we come to school. So, we are going to quickly read. Put your finger there, pay attention, all of you. We go to school to learn good things. Next line, we learn to read and write. We learn to solve sums. We draw and paint pictures. We learn about computers. Now in class 1, a new subject was added, computers. If you were coming to school, you would have seen the computer lab that we have in our school. Your teacher would have taken you to the lab, you would have done some practical work on the computer. But anyways, this year everybody is using the technology, everybody is using the mobiles and computers at home. So I'm sure you must have learned a lot of computers. Most of you must have learned how to use the laptops. Yes? So we learn about computers in school. We learn to sing and dance. You also learn to sing and dance. We have a singing period also in school where you learn singing, you learn how to dance, you participate in the various programs in school. We learn good habits and good manners. You learn all the good manners in school. You learn to behave yourself. You learn to share your things. You learn a lot of things. All good manners. Now you can see some of the pictures that are given over there where the teachers are helping the students in the classroom. Then you can see the teachers are there in the music room. Children are learning to play the keyboard. Then in the computer lab, they are using the computers. These are all the various activities, children, which we learn to do in our school. Who teaches us all these things in school? Okay, now, Ahmed, who teaches us all these things in school?
मैम टीचर।
Teachers, that's right. Our teachers teach us all these things. We teachers come to school, we love you, we take care of you, we play with you. Yes? So they teach us everything. They teach us good manners. Now in the purple box on the right hand side at the bottom of the page, you can see amazing fact. It's written there, we must obey and respect our teachers. Very important, children. We have to obey and respect our teachers. We have to listen to what they say. We have to obey them. We don't have to be rude to our teachers. हमें अपने teachers की respect करनी चाहिए. Now turn the page. Page number 62. Some good habits and manners. I come to school on time. I wear a proper school uniform. I wish my teachers. I do not make a noise in the classroom. Very important. We must never make a noise in the classroom. Like sometimes what happen, all of you together you unmute yourself and you start speaking, then ma'am says no, mute yourselves, don't make a noise. So very important, you have to maintain discipline in the classroom. I share my things with my classmates. Now when you were coming to school in your nursery KG classes, you must have been sharing your things with your friends. You must have been, अगर कोई फ्रेंड आपका पेंसिल नहीं लाया है तो आप शेयर करते थे, इरेजर नहीं लाया तो उसको इरेजर दे देते थे, कभी कभी कोई अगर टिफ़िन नहीं लाता था तो आप लोग टिफ़िन भी शेयर करते थे. Yes, that's very important. Sharing is caring. When you care for someone, only then you share. So that's very important. But nowadays it's very sad, children. Because of this pandemic, we can't do any sharing. Everybody is so scared of catching the virus, so we are not sharing. But we must keep praying so that everything gets okay. And once again, we are able to share everything with our friends, with our near and dear ones. Right? Then see the next one. I do not quarrel with my class fellows. Does anyone know what is the meaning of the word quarrel?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Abdul?
मैंने केजी में अपने फ्रेंड के साथ टिफिन शेयर किया था.
Okay, that's right. Okay, Mustafa wants to say something. Yes? Mustafa, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
मैंने भी शेयर किया.
Okay, that's good. All right. Arna, you want to say something? Arna, you want to say something? Your mic is on.
मैम पैर में दर्द हो रहा है.
All right. So, nobody knows the meaning of the word quarrel. Quarrel means फाइट, टू आर्ग्यू. कभी कभी क्या करते हैं ना, हम लोग अपने फ्रेंड से गुस्सा हो जाते हैं तो हम झगड़ा करने लगते हैं. उसने अगर मुझे कुछ बोला तो हम भी उसको कुछ बोल देते हैं. एंड वी कीप डूइंग लाइक दिस, वन आफ्टर द अदर. एक उसने कुछ बोला, हमने कुछ बोला, एंड देन द क्वारल स्टार्ट्स, the fight starts. So quarrel means to fight, to argue. You mustn't do that with your class fellows. Your class fellows are your classmates. जो आपके क्लास में हैं, अभी आपके क्लास में जितने हैं, these are all your class fellows, your classmates. You must not quarrel with them, mustn't fight with them. Bad manners. Right? Next, I respect and obey my teachers. Very important. I do not jump on the desk and benches. Some children, they like to jump on the desk and the benches. Kabhi kabhi class mein when teacher is not there, quickly stand up from your place and start hopping from one place to another. Is that right or is that wrong? That's wrong. You mustn't do that. Bad manners. You must not jump on the tables and the benches in class. That's wrong. I keep my class neat and clean. We must keep our classroom neat and clean just like we keep our house. Very important. Remember I told you this when we were doing the lesson, our classroom also. You have to keep your classroom clean. Now see the word bank, that pink color box there. Put your finger there, Myra. Don't put your fingers in your mouth. Teacher. Who is a teacher? One who teaches us. A teacher is one who teaches us. A school is a place where we learn to read, write, do sums, dance, paint, draw, sing, etc. If somebody is going to ask you what is a school, Then you'll say a school is a place where we learn so many things. We learn to read, write, draw, do sums, dance, paint, sing.
Ma'am,
Yes, good manners we learn, good habits we learn. All this we learn in
ma'am,
a school. And now the next point, the next box, it says keep in mind.
ma'am,
Yes, Myra?
मैम हम लोग नर्सरी क्लास में थे जो
Yes.
मैम है हमको जो वो झूले झूलाने ले जाती थे
Okay.
बनाती थी सब
All right. So let's see what you have to keep in your mind. What do you have to keep in your mind? Let's read that part. We go to
मैम
school to learn good things. We go to school to learn good things. We learn good habits and good manners in school. We must obey and respect our teachers. Very important. The 3 points. We go to school to learn good manners, good things. We learn good habits, good manners, and we must obey and respect our teachers. Very important. Emma, don't play with your pencil. Yes, Janavar, you want to say something? You're smiling?
नो मैम
Okay. Now, there's some exercises given here. Let's just quickly see the exercises. We learn to read, write, or both in school. Aradhya, we learn to read, write, or both in school. किस पे टिक लगाएंगे हम?
मैम बोर्ड पे
Both पे, because we learn to read, we learn to write, both in school. Put a tick on BOTH, both. Both means dono. Next one, Aditya, we should or should not make a noise in the classroom. Aditya, we should make a noise or we should not? We should make a noise or we should not? Should not, that's right. Shanavar, the next one. We should not jump or sit on the desk.
यस मैम
The next one, number 3. We
Yes,
should not jump or sit on the desk.
नो
We should not jump or sit.
मैम
Sit is also correct. हमें टेबल पे डेस्क पे तो बैठना नहीं चाहिए. कहाँ पर बैठते हैं हम लोग शनावर? Bench. That's right. So if you take jump, if you take sit, both will be correct. Okay? And the last one, Satakshi. I do not share my things with my classmates. Share. That's right. So put a tick on share. And put learn over there, children. Put over there learn.
मैम
Yes, Aradhya.
मैंने किसी को कलर शेयर कराई थी
Okay. Now for homework, children, you are going to read this lesson very well. And remember, you are also going to do today number names in your number names copy from 926 to 975. You will do number names in your number names copy. Now join your hands, close your eyes, we'll say our prayers. Number names you have to do, Sayansh, in your number names copy.
नंबर नेम सेंड करेंगे क्या आप मैम
First you will complete it. Today I am collecting projects. After that I will ask you, not just now. Okay, Sayansh? Yes, Arjun?
ओके एक्सक्यूज मी नंबर नेम
Now all of you are speaking 975. Okay. Yes, Abdul? Abdul, you want to
मैम नंबर नेम्स कहाँ तक लिख रहे हैं?
926 to 975. I will send you the homework in the class group. Don't worry, I'll be sending you the homework. Yes, Arish. Children, don't switch off your cameras, okay, so that I can see you.
Excuse me, मैम.
Yes,
मैम,
Ashika.
मैम, कल मेरी सिस्टर का बर्थडे है.
Okay, that's good. You can wish her happy birthday, okay? Yes, Manvi.
मैम, हिंदी इंग्लिश का प्रोजेक्ट दोनों सेंड करना है.
Yes, the complete project that you have made.
Okay.
You'll make a PDF and send it to me. Now join your hands, close your eyes. Let's say our prayers. Join your hands, all of you. Oh God, thank you for giving me another beautiful day in my life. Thank you for the lessons I have learned today, the friends I have met. Thank you for the love and care I have received from my companions, and teaching and friendship I have received from my teachers in my school. Hear this prayer and give me always a grateful heart for your love's sake. Amen. All right, good morning and thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Bye,
Bye, children.
Bye.